buy some crystals.
We're going to grow some crystals.
Yeah.
Right, okay. So the colours that we picked is aquamarine blue. And we picked the pink Cortez. Okay? So, because you can't read and you're 4.
Yeah, I'm 4 years old.
You're 4 years old and you can't read yet.
Nah.
We've got a bowl that we're never going to use ever again. Okay? I'm going to open up the blue one.
Yeah, Mummy, how about you cut it?
I'll cut that in a moment.
Why?
Okay? And it says pour the crystals into a bowl, keeping an eighth. No, in this bowl. Okay, so I'll pour it.
We need a book.
And we've got to keep an eighth. Don't touch that, not with your hands. Right. We'll keep this much spare because it says to. Okay. Now, I'll do this bit because so this is boiling hot water.
Yeah, I can do it.
No, I will do it for you. And then I'll put it in here. Okay. So you have the stick, please, Savannah. Have the stick. And then I will pour the hot water. Okay, you ready? Okay, mix it. Do you want to put your blue into the rocks?
Yeah.
Go on then. As the instructions, we're going to pour the rest of this on top. Okay.
Hi, boys and girls. These are the crystals now.
Okay, so we let them dry for a week, haven't we?
Yeah.
Okay, shall we look at them? So these are the crystals dry.
Yeah.
And it didn't come out like the picture, did it? It's not really big crystals, are they?
No.
So should we take it out of the box? Oh, they're not crystals. That wasn't a very good crystals, were they? There's a thumb down.
Yeah.
They're not crystals, are they?